Hello from Långviksbadet in Kalmar. It is a super nice beach with so many different facilities, including at least 5 jetties that I can see. Then also a huge sandy beach, as well as diving platforms on different heights. And the tallest one looks extremely tall. Extremely high, I would say. So I will probably go from the lowest one to jump. But let's see and check around if it is crowded, because I see many people sunbathing there on the beach. So let's then check it out, because I saw also there is a space for scooters, surfing scooters, or I don't know that. On the other side I'm going to show you in a bit. But yeah, it is 23 degrees Celsius in the air on this 20th of June, and in the water I already measured, it is 20 degrees Celsius. And this is yet another beach that I'm showing you in Kalmar. So let me show you what I meant with the water scooters. There are some white platforms inside the water. I'm not really sure what they're used for, but I guess it's water scooters, or I'm not really sure. So yeah, plenty of opportunities for swim here at Långviksbadet in Kalmar. You can see also the sandy beach as well from here. So very nice indeed. All right, now I think I'm gonna go for a jump. So let's see if it is available. But yeah, I'm in Kalmar, obviously, and doing beach adventures over here. And this is day 2 of my vacation, as I like to call it, my Sweden vacation. So yeah, then let's check out the other parts of the beach as well. Yeah. There is another jetty over here as well. let's go on in there and for a dive from the platform because they look inviting. I am not so keen on jumping from the highest one, but the lowest one I would definitely manage for sure. Yes, this is Beach Adventures with Chris. I'm showing you different beaches on my channel, and now I'm in Kalmar and enjoying the weather over here. So let's then go for a dive. Jumping tower and the wind is crazy. There are some roofs over here and there are 3 different heights. This is the shortest one, but it looks very deep in it. And here is also a nice view from Kalmar and the surroundings. So yeah, is this 5 meters? It looks very deep. So yeah, it's time then for me to jump before I show you a bit more from the Långviksbadet. Indeed. And we can see all the way to Kalmar slots from here. Alright, it's time for a jump. So let's go. That's amazing. My watch almost fell off. Really amazing. It was so high. Adrenaline rush overload for sure. Pretty amazing. I'm so happy now that I jumped and dived in here. So now let's go in for a swim and enjoy this beautiful day at Långviksbadet that you can see from here. Pretty nice. All right, I'm swimming still. So yeah, thanks a lot then for watching this episode and my dive from this 5-meter platform meters. Definitely 5 meters here in Långviksbadet. So yeah, that's a wrap, and make sure to subscribe to follow more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.